Learn today. Comprehension. Let us look at a few comprehension passages for Grade 2, Class 2. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Pushing and pulling. We move things by pushing them or pulling them. Heavy things are hard to move. Sometimes when we want to move things, we push them. Engines help to push big and heavy things. Sometimes when we want to move things, we pull them. When we pull things, we move them towards us. Wheels made it easier to pull heavy things. A cart has wheels. The wheels make it easier to pull the carts. Engines help to pull big and heavy things. Trucks have engines and wheels. Let us look at the questions based on the passage. How we move things. The answer is, we move things by pushing them or pulling them. What makes it easier to push heavy things? The answer is, engines help to push big and heavy things. When we push things, we move them away from us. True or false? The answer is true. Dash helps us pull big and heavy things. The answer is engines. Engines helps us pull big and heavy things. What happens when we pull things? The answer is, when we pull things, we move them towards us. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Cheeky Tikki. Cheeky Tikki was very upset today, though Dasara and Diwali were nearing, but the children were not showing enthusiasm. The society had unanimously decided that there would be no bursting of crackers this year. This was enough to dampen the spirits of the children. Wearing new clothes and having yummy sweetmeats was what they did on every festival, but Diwali's major fun was in crackers, and the elders took that away from the kids. In the meantime, Aunt Polly arrived there carrying a big bag over her shoulder. She took out a beautiful packet from her bag. It contained some crackers, and Aunt had bought one more packet. Children saw that there were some plants in it. Let us look at the questions. The children of the society were unhappy because options are, their parents were angry, no crackers, no sweets for Diwali, no new clothes. The answer is no crackers. What was Diwali's main attraction for the children? The options are new clothes, crackers, sweets, plants. The answer is crackers. What is the meaning of enthusiasm? Options are great interest, sadness, crackers to lessen. The answer is great interest. What did Aunt Polly's first packet contain? The options are crackers, sweets, plants, clothes. The answer is crackers. What did Aunt Polly's second packet contain? Plants, sweets, crackers, clothes. The answer is plants. Spoken and written expression, punctuation for Grade 2, Class 2. Choose the best response. Did you watch the cricket match last night? The options are, the match was interesting. Yes, I did. It was very interesting. The match was a tie. The match started at 8 o'clock. The answer is, yes, I did. It was very interesting. How would you like your steak? The options are, no thanks, rare please, yes please, a slice please. The answer is rare please. Do you watch television often? The options are, yes, don't you know? Yes, I do. I want a new TV. I bought a new TV. The answer is, yes, I do. I was happy the train arrived on time. The options are A. I went back home. B. So I was not late. C. I carry my luggage. D. I was late. The answer is, so I was not late. When do you write to your friends? A. I don't know. B. I do it whenever I have time. C. I write to my friends at home. D. I write a lot. The answer is, I do it whenever I have time. Do as directed. Which word in bold print is written correctly? We have a spelling test every Thursday. On Tuesday, we play math games. We have to clean our desks. On Friday, we have our class meeting every Monday. The answer is we have to clean our desks on Friday. Choose a special day that is written correctly. Options are Mother's Day, New Year's Day, Valentine's Day, April Fool's Day. The answer is New Year's Day. Which book is written correctly? Mouse Tales, Jack and the Giant, Ira Sleeps Over, The Big Balloon Race. And the answer is Jack and the Giant. Choose the title and name that is written incorrectly. Miss Khanna, Dr. Adams, Mrs. Jones, Mr. Lee. The answer is Dr. Adams. Which date is written correctly? December 3, 2001, June 12, 2020, May 25, 2010, April 8, 2000. The answer is June 12, 2020. Which name of the place is written correctly? It is snowing in Atlanta, Georgia. I live in Austin, Texas. We visited my aunt in Cleveland, Ohio. My brother lives in Springfield, Chicago. The answer is we visited my aunt in Cleveland, Ohio. Choose a sentence with correct punctuation. Look at the sentences and choose the one with the correct punctuation. The answer is B. Paris is the capital of France. Choose a sentence with correct punctuation. The answer is Can I play with you? Question mark. Choose a correctly punctuated sentence. Michelle, Benz and Ken are meeting on Sunday. Look at the sentences and choose a sentence with the correct punctuation. The answer is C. Michelle, Benz and Ken are meeting on Sunday, full stop. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. Do you know who won the match? Look at the sentences and choose a sentence that has correct punctuation. The answer is C. Do you know who won the match? Question mark. Choose a correct option to complete each conversation. Can Nina and you stay at home? Options are she can't but I can't, she can but I can, she can't but I can. All of these. The answer is she can't but I can. Thank you.